Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix RoShade for Roblox not working. First thing you need to do is search for Roblox player, and then you want to click on open file location. Right click on Roblox player one more time, click on open file location again. Now we want to do two things. First up, this Roblox player beta.exe, which is in application, you want to right click on this, and then you want to go to properties, and then head over to the compatibility tab. You want to check this, run this program, and you want to select Windows 7. You want to click on disable full screen optimizations and also click on run this program as an administrator. You want to click on apply and then OK. Once you do that, you need to repeat the same process for Roblox player launcher. So right click on this, go to properties, compatibility, run this program, select Windows 7, click on these two, then click on apply, OK, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.